SL600. I bought a 2002 SL600 last year from a guy over in Massachusetts. Got 39,000 miles on it. And what I didn't like about it, it came with a resprayed black front grille. And what I'm trying to do is bring everything back to the original OEM look, which would be this type of grille here. So I found this one on eBay, $400, excellent condition. So what I'm going to try to do is install this today and see how it looks. So I think it's pretty easy to put on. You get a clip right here for the hood to open up. And you just put the thing in there. Go in there. I'm gonna fight you now. There we go. I think. I don't want to scratch the paint either. These things are usually fairly easy to put on. You never know. I think I got it on wrong. Let's try it. Why is it getting caught there? Let's try to get it. I'll push that in further. Push that in. Oh boy. Put it in like, there we go. All right. Make sure you scratch the paint. Make sure you got your screws with you in your pocket, because you never know. Put them in pretty loosely. That way there, I'll just snug everything up. And hopefully this is going to line up properly. This one came from California. I don't know the history. I'm not sure if it came from a SL600 or something similar. Because a lot of these grills can fit SL500s, 600s from 1989 to, there we go, 2001. And one more screw to go. I think I got it. I can line that one up. Tighten it up. Almost there. Make sure everything is lining up properly. It just won't look right. And good. There it is. Beautiful. Excellent. Looking real nice. That's it for now.